gentlemen.
Well, hello there, just in time.
Hey, thanks a lot for coming.
Now, did you know that
If you subscribe.
You're going to be a very rich man.
Wait a minute. Are you for real?
Of course not, no.
He's a little slow.
Let's get this show on the road.
Hello, viewers, and welcome to the detailed stock market analysis based on the vibrant conversations from the WallStreetBets subreddit. In today's report, we'll be delving into the most discussed stocks and uncovering the pulse of the market as expressed by the WallStreetBets community. Expect to hear in-depth insights on companies like SoFi Technologies, Advanced Micro Devices, NVIDIA, Microsoft, Tesla, and United Parcel Service. From bullish optimism to bearish caution, this report is a deep dive into the realm of retail trading sentiment.
What the hell is going on?
Before we dive in, be sure to like and subscribe to stay updated on the market's ebbs and flows. And visit us at WallStreetBetsHourlyReport.com for even more comprehensive coverage. Remember, none of this report constitutes financial advice. It's all about presenting you with the raw, unfiltered sentiments and trends from an online community of traders and investors. With that said, let's get into the details of today's discussions.
Older the bull, stiffer the horn.
SoFi Technologies was a star in today's discussions, with the community abuzz about its recent earnings report, which reportedly showcased record revenue and a bright outlook. The stock experienced significant pre-market gains, and the sentiment was unmistakably bullish, with many regards holding call options and displaying confidence in their positions. Despite the overall optimistic tone within the subreddit, there was talk of potential sell-offs and caution against premature celebrations. It's clear that the spotlight has recently been on SoFi Technologies, with interests piqued by its reported movement towards profitability and the implications this could have for short positions. This bullish sentiment for SoFi was sustained even as some regards anticipated volatility at the market open, with discussions veering between ongoing support for the stock and the realism that often comes after a surge in the stock market.
I knew it! The bull!
Advanced Micro Devices also featured prominently in conversations, albeit with a more measured sentiment. There were nods to the positive price target adjustment by Morgan Stanley, indicative of a bullish sentiment among some regards. Advanced Micro Devices' upcoming Zen 5 CPU launch was eyed with a mix of skepticism and anticipation, reflecting the nuanced perspectives of traders. Although some regards were bearish on Chinese stocks like Alibaba Group Holding Limited and NIO, there seemed to be some underlying strategic optimism regarding Advanced Micro Devices, with regards discussing hedging approaches using both call and put options in anticipation of the earnings report.
Flourished again, suddenly the bull charged.
When it comes to NVIDIA, the sentiment was somewhat uncertain. While some regards were bullish following the company's pre-market gains, there were also concerns about fading momentum. NVIDIA was also linked to discussions around the semiconductor industry in light of subsidies to boost chip production, with regards showing bullish enthusiasm due to government support and perceived market undervaluation. The company has been part of broader market interest, revealing the community's focus on tech giants and their strategic moves within this sector.
What the hell is going on here?
Microsoft Corporation discussions seemed divided, with skepticism shared about their short calls possibly in relation to market trends indicated by competitors like Intel. However, despite the contention, Microsoft appeared to inspire confidence with threads discussing potential earnings plays indicative of a bullish sentiment. As one of the major players in tech, Microsoft's acquisition strategies and internal restructuring were hot topics, evoking curiosity and speculation among regards about the company's trajectory post-acquisition and during earning periods.
I bet on the bull.
Tesla, much like in the real stock market, experienced mixed reactions. Although some regards expressed bullish sentiments, there was evident frustration with the stock's volatility. Tesla's discussions were often centered around trading strategies and shared experiences, with mixed emotions reflecting the broader sentiment. There was a cautious optimism mixed with humor in conversations about Tesla's performance amidst interest rate speculations.
What the hell is going on?
Lastly, United Parcel Service discussions leaned towards the bearish side. The subredditors expressed dubiousness regarding the company's outlook, and regards criticized specific aspects such as fuel costs and freight rates. The discussions around United Parcel Service highlighted both successful trades and contrasting opinions. However, skepticism about market sustainability and bearish dread was also present. Despite this, some regard anticipated potential for a reversal based on various factors, illustrating the community's complex views on stocks even within a single company's analysis.
Look, I don't know what kind of mojo was in that wish you made when you were a child, but this bear is alive.
In conclusion, the daily report from WallStreetBets suggests a mixed bag of market sentiment. SoFi Technologies took center stage with a predominantly bullish sentiment and significant mentions, following its positive earnings report and the community's strong outlook on its future performance. Advanced Micro Devices and Nvidia garnered attention with neutral to bullish sentiment, reflecting community confidence bolstered by the recent positive developments and discussions around subsidized growth in the semiconductor sector. Microsoft stood somewhere in the middle ground, with discussions implying a neutral sentiment swaying towards bullish on the back of earnings expectations. Tesla and United Parcel Service presented a more balanced view of the market with neutral to bearish sentiment, highlighting the cautious perspective of traders amidst stock volatility and broader market concerns.
I'll distract the bull. You grab the money, okay?
Overall, today's snapshot of WallStreetBets portrays a dynamic forum, readily responsive to market changes with diverse opinions and a shared passion for dissecting stock potential. The varying degrees of sentiment observed illustrate the speculative nature of the market, the eagerness for profit, and an unyielding readiness to tackle new opportunities even in the face of risk. Remember to treat these sentiments as individual perspectives of the subreddit community, not as financial advice, and to subscribe for continuous updates on the market through the eyes of these active online traders. Thank you for tuning in to today's report.
Thanks for coming by.
He was onto something clever, boy.
You're a scholar and a gentleman. I must ask you.
You subscribe?
To this
Channel.
subscribe.
I bid you all a very fond farewell.
Farewell, spaceman.
Farewell, Screw.